In this video, you'll see how to execute automations on AWS resources from Jira Service Management. Using the AWS Service Management Connector, you can integrate AWS Systems Manager with Atlassian Jira Service Management, and then allow end users to execute SSM Automation documents from Jira to perform common maintenance, deployment, and remediation tasks on AWS services. We'll begin by navigating to the AWS Service Management Connector to set up the integration. For demonstration purposes, we've already connected a couple of AWS accounts. Let's view the connector settings. In the list of connector features to enable, AWS Systems Manager Automation is already selected. Let's take a look at its configuration. At least one Jira group must be specified. We've already added a Jira group, so let's save our settings. Now that the integration is set up, let's open a project. Here we see the open tickets related to this project. To perform remediations, we can use Systems Manager Automation documents. Let's go to the AWS Service Connector and select one. Automation documents execute commands based on rules. Let's find one that allows us to restart an Amazon EC2 instance. In this case, all we need to do is enter the ID of the EC2 instance we want to restart. Tags are optional. Let's execute the automation. When an automation is executed, a ticket is automatically created for it in Jira Service Management. The automation can take a few minutes to process. From the ticket, we can review the execution details. We can also view the steps of the execution. We can dig further and view details for each step. In the right panel, Execution Completed indicates that the automation document processed successfully. You've just seen how to execute automations on AWS resources from Jira Service Management. You can learn more about this topic in the description and links for this video. Thanks for watching. Now it's your turn to try.